Hello。
时间到我就请您跟我一起上去，然后我就开场。
我等一下可以跑去另外一边吗？
你就站在这边就可以了。
OK。
然后我也会往左边站。
因为我想说，我这样子，等一下这样子讲。
旁边站一边这样。我只是一开始的时候我们站在镜头中间。
OK。
Hello everyone, you're watching the live show of 2020 Taiwan International Fisheries and Seafood Show. I'm your host, Raymond. Do you know that free radicals could actually be an early indicator of water quality? To give you more information about the role of free indicators in water treatment, as well as what it can do to enhance Taiwan's aquaculture industry, I'm very happy to be joined by Ashley Wu, Sales Manager of SHENG Biotechnology. Hello, Ashley. Would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Hello, everyone. I'm Ashley from SHENG SQ Biotech. It's very honored to be here.
Okay, so off you go, Ashley, to introduce the products from SHENG.
Okay. Today, I'm going to talk about the concept of free radicals and how it can be used in the aquaculture industry and aquaculture in Taiwan and in other countries as well. And also, SQ Biotech is a company that focuses on the water treatment in aquaculture and aquaculture industry. And it's actually, the products actually are designed by a team from National Tsinghua University, and today I'm going to introduce two products especially.
As you can see here
yes,
on the table.
Yes, later I'm going to explain how it works. Okay. So we know that water is very important in aquaculture and aquaculture industry because all the microorganisms and the life depends on the water. So the water is very important. In aquaculture industry, we all know that everyone in this industry will see how the numbers in the water to see the quality of the water is bad or good, right?
That's very important.
Yes, and there's something that is missed in the water treatment because most of the people in aquaculture industry didn't notice there's a concept called free radicals. In the field research we did in Taiwan, we found there were lots of different diseases involved in the fishery ponds. And then we examined all the data. They were actually quite normal. And we start to think what caused the microorganism and the species.
Yeah, what went wrong?
Something went wrong. And what was behind it? So the team of our companies found there's something called free radicals in the water, and that will greatly influence the species.
So that is the missing part you're talking about.
Yeah, that is the topic of our presentation today. Okay. So in the world, normal substance, they are stable, but once they got stimulations from smoke or radiation or air pollution or UV rays, they will generate free radicals and become exciting the status.
Okay.
For example, the oxygen is the normal status in the world. But once the oxygens got stimulated, they will become superoxidized, just like the right side of the mini.
Okay.
Yeah, so free radicals means if there's more amounts of the free radicals in the environment, that means there's more stimulation in the environment, which is bad to the organism,
Okay.
including people.
All right. So free radical means the minion goes crazy. Like
Yeah,
on the range.
yeah,
Okay.
goes crazy. So if there's more amount of the free radicals, that means that the environment is bad for the fishes or for the humans.
Okay, got it.
Understand? Okay. So the damage of the free radicals, they are mainly to the DNAs, DNA, lipids, and protein. So for example, if we got too much exposure to the free radicals,
Yes.
that means we will got more damages. It will influence the immune system in the organisms or in our body.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
so
not what we want.
yeah, and that will lead to the death of the cells.
Okay.
So if just imagine if the free radicals, there's more free radicals in the water, that means the fishes in the water will have more chance to get sick and even die.
Yes.
So that's very important to the aquaculture. Everyone in aquaculture and agriculture as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the water is really important for all the species. So now we're going to talk about where are the sources of the free radicals.
Yeah, we don't want free radicals.
Yeah, where they're from, right?
Where do they come from?
So basically, the free radicals are from air pollution and microorganisms in the subsoil.
All right.
Okay, so we all know that there's lots of the particles and the dust in the water,
Yeah.
right? If the water pollution gets worse, the free radicals will attach to the dust in the air, and they
Okay.
will fall into the ponds with the rain.
Okay.
So basically, in the sunny days and in the rainy days. So, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
okay,
a
okay.
very simple questions. In the
Professor
sunny
Wu,
day,
okay.
yeah, in the sunny days and in the rainy days, which days will have like there will be like more free radicals in the water?
I think during the rainy days there will be more
Yes,
free radicals.
Exactly. Why?
I got it right?
Yes,
Thank
exactly.
you.
This is a very simple question.
Yes.
Because in the rainy days, the dust will fall into the
Yeah.
ponds, and there are more pollution in the water. That means the water will get worse.
And
which
that's
is
also
very-
bad for the fish
Yeah,
in the pond.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will be really bad for all the species in the water. And there's another source of the free radicals. They come from the microorganism. Do
Okay.
you know why microorganism will produce free radicals?
Is
Do
it
you know
because
why?
microorganisms are everywhere, maybe in some dirty places?
Yeah,
So they will carry something bad with them?
yes, basically the microorganism, they generate free radicals because they want to survive and
Okay.
compete with other microorganisms in the water as
All
well.
right, that's why.
Okay, so because everyone in the industry, they will use antibiotics, right?
Yes,
Everybody
yes.
use the antibiotics to kill the bad bacteria in the water, so the fish can grow healthy, right?
Yes.
Okay, so because of the use of the antibiotics, there's more. There's a bad things in the water, and the microorganism will generate the free radicals to kill the antibiotics because they want to
Oh, okay.
survive. But however, not all of the bacteria will be killed. So
Yes.
those who don't get killed, they will mutate and become a stronger type of organism.
Okay, it's even worse.
Yeah, it gets worse. It's
Okay.
sort of like a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
So the microorganism, they will generate free radicals to uptake other organic matters
Yeah.
as well. So because the use of the antibiotics and the other things, so there are more free radicals in the water, basically.
Okay.
Basically.
Got it.
Okay. If there's more environmental free radicals, that will means the fish will get killed.
Yeah,
they will
you see
sick.
the fishes crying in the
Yes,
picture.
yes, exactly. Okay. So the purpose of the microorganism,
Yes.
they're generating the free radicals because they want to survive and compete.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the scientific study we found in other countries. We found that E. coli will generate free
Okay.
radicals as well
Yeah.
under the water of the sunlight. Okay. let's go quickly. So there basically are two types of the free radicals, and we focus on. There's one thing called superhydroxyl. This is very highly active and toxic. So that means if
the bad ones.
Yes, if the number of these free radicals is higher, that means it's really bad to us. So in our study, we detect the number of the superoxide to see if the water quality is good or not. Okay. So in today's presentation, we're going to introduce these two products from SHENG.
Okay.
This one is we call the detector of the free radicals.
Okay, the detector of free radicals.
Free
from
radicals.
SHENG.
Yeah, how we know how much free radicals in the water, right? So these will help us to understand how much the free radicals are in the water. And this one is what we call the neutralizer of free radicals.
Okay, the neutralizer. It's like a solution.
It's basically it's basically the solution to the problem in the water treatment.
All right.
Because once the first one, we need to know how much the free radicals are. So in the following slides, let me show you how it was designed.
Yeah,
It's
this
basically
helps us find out the problem.
Yes. Basically, the free radicals in the water will works with the chemicals, so they can produce the fluorescence.
Yes.
So once we use these products in the water and it is dissolved, we can test to see how much the fluorescence it contains.
Okay.
It contains. So if it has the more fluorescence in the water, that means what?
The worse the environment is.
Yes, exactly. So as you can see, the intensity of fluorescence represents the concentration of the free radicals. Okay. So there are some benefits of the free radicals detector. It can help us to judge the water of the quality, and it can also help the fishery farmers to know when to use the antibiotics or probiotic to adjust the free radicals in the water.
Yes.
So they will know when they should use the treatment in the water. Okay, because once the water gets bad, it will be too late for they can do something to stop the damage.
We have to take action early.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So these are basically what we found. Once we can use the detector of the free radicals, we can see in the rainy days, the water sample we collect in Jiayi, Yunlin, the clam pouch, we can see the water contains more free radicals because the water contains more fluorescence, and the free radicals comes from the rain, the dust, the air pollution. Okay. And also, once we use the detectors, it can help us to obtain all the information of the water quality. There might be something that is unknown, but once we know how much free radicals in the water, then we can do something about it.
Okay.
So it's the detector will help us to take some precautionary measures. It's
kind of like a body check of the pond.
Yes, exactly.
With this,
when the doctors needs to know the patient is healthy or not, they will use something to detect exactly the same theory. Okay. So these are the benefits once you can use the free radicals. It can help us to detect the quality of the water, except the indicators that we use traditionally, like the amount of the ammonia or dissolved oxygens or other indicators that we use mostly. Okay. So let's go quickly to the next one. So if we have more free radicals in the water, how we can do something about this is the solution of our products. Okay, this is the solution of our products. That is the main important product.
Okay.
Because just imagine, if there's lots of the bad things in the water, what we can do about it?
Yeah.
We should get rid of the free radicals.
Yes.
Right? We should reduce amount of the free radicals. Once there's less of free radicals in the water, that means it's a much more healthier environment for the fishes of the shrimps, right? Okay. So this is what we call the neutralizer.
Okay.
Because it can be dissolved in the water.
In the water, okay.
And it will generate the free radicals to decompose the toxic in the water.
Okay.
So it's what we call the neutralizer because it's nature. It's extractions from the plant. The plant.
Okay.
So it's basically
it's all natural.
It's all natural. It's all natural.
It's not harmful for the fish as well.
Yes, it's 100% environmentally.
Friendly, yes.
Yes, harmless to all the species.
Okay.
Okay. And these two products can be used together to see as a solution in the aquaculture industry.
So you have a total solution here.
Basically, and we today in our presentation, because the concept of free radicals is not very well known in the industry, because traditionally other people will see ammonia or other indicators to see the as treatment or indicators to examine if when the water quality gets worse, right? And now we provide another concept for everyone in this industry to see as a solution in this industry, because the water is really important. And now we have another indicators to see when we should do something to make the water gets better. Okay. So the following slide shows these products. It's what we call Andine. It's basically no harm and easy to process for this industry.
Yes.
It works under the sunlight. It will generate something. It will generate something to kill the bad things like toxins or microorganisms.
In the water. Okay.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so let's go quickly. So basically, in general, we see this is 100% natural.
Okay.
And it's harmless to the environment. Okay. So it's that's all the presentation for today.
Yeah, thank you so much to Ashley. I feel like I went to a class in college about free radicals. Thank you so much, Professor Wu. Okay.
No, I'm not. I'm just today it's very honored to be here because this is a great opportunity for us to introduce these good products of Taiwan, and we hope that the companies from other countries can see the good sides of the products and innovative products, and if we are looking for that we will have like chance to work with other companies from
overseas and in other countries. So okay, buyers, viewers all over the world, you're seeing what Taiwan can actually do, what SHENG can actually offer to you to really improve the aquaculture environment. So if you need more information, talk to Ashley, talk to SHENG.
Please go to our website to look for more information if you want to know more details about water treatment.
Yeah, so I would like to thank you once again, Ashley, for your time, for sharing so much with us today.
Same here.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, and thank you, Ashley. Thank you.
Thank you.
各位现场朋友们，再过3分钟，呢，在我们 K 区的渔人舞台将有稳盛食品的介绍他们的鱼子酱产品哦，所以不想错过的朋友们，现在就可以到我们的渔人舞台区这边来集合了。Ladies and gentlemen, in 3 minutes, Winsturd Caviar will be introducing their product to you, so don't go anywhere, everyone. Brian 站在最右边，然后 Dana 中间，然后我在旁边。OK。然后我开个场之后，时间交给你们，我就会到旁边。OK。
还是我站中间好了，因为他等一下他要讲，所以他站最旁边，对吧
？Dana 在最右边。
OK。
Hello everyone, it's Raymond here. Welcome to 2020 Taiwan International Fisheries and Seafood Show. Are you a big fan of caviar? You come to the right place. Joining me right now is the CEO of Winsturd Caviar, Brian, and also partner of Winsturd, Dana. All right, so Brian and Dana, take it away.
Hello everyone, I'm Brian. I'm the CEO and founder of Winsturd Caviar, the Taiwan first licensed caviar. And I'm excited today and to introduce our brand to you because it is excellent quality. Previously, I worked in IT industry and I have also studied in Dallas, Texas for two years. And now I'm excited and honored to back to our hometown Ilan and produce the caviar and sell the caviar. I hope you will enjoy our presentation today. And maybe you will try our caviar someday. So now our team member Dana will introduce our excellent Winsturd caviar.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Dana. I'm happy here to present Winsturd Caviar to you. So when you think of caviar, you usually think of brands from Europe or Middle East. I think many of us here have not heard of a brand from Taiwan. And that's because Winsturd is Taiwan's first licensed brand for caviar. But actually we have had a long history. For more than 10 years, our farm has been selling white label caviar to many of the gourmet brands of caviar around the world. So we have had a long history of producing high quality caviar. And now in 2020, it is the first time that we are establishing our own brand, which is Winsturd Caviar. So let me walk you through what we produce, what we sell, and why it is excellent quality. Okay. So when we think about farm products, or fish especially, the most important thing we need to know is traceability. So what is traceability? Traceability is where the product is from, how it is grown, and how it is produced. Because all these factors will determine whether our product is safe. So this is what we care a lot in Winsturd. And to make sure that we have the most high quality fish, we chose to breed our fish in a place called Yilan in Taiwan. And Yilan has a lot of mountains, and it is part of the Central Mountain Range. So in this Central Mountain Range, we are able to produce fish that's from natural spring water. There's also very, very minimal pollution because it is high altitude. And because of this natural environment, we are able to have the fresh and the best sturgeon fish where we can extract the roe to produce our caviar. So this is a farm-to-table concept. We can tell you where the fish is from, how it is produced, and based on these, you will know that it is a safe and delicious product. So now that we have the roe, we go into the production phase of the actual caviar. When it comes to production, again, food safety is of utmost importance for any food, especially for farm products. At Winsturd, we guarantee food safety of our products when you can know that all our sturgeon fish are fed with natural ingredients, such as pineapple enzymes and other kibbles from small fish and other natural ingredients. So after the roe is extracted, we will take the roe to our own factory, which is a dust-controlled and temperature-controlled environment. In this environment, the whole production process will not have contact with bacteria. And after the roe is curated, it is frozen, and in this environment, it is very, very safe to keep the caviar for many months. So after all the production process is done, we get to our product. And like I said, the product is safe and very clean, but also it is very, very good tasting. And actually, our team has done a lot of benchmarking to compare our product with those of our competitors. And we saw that the taste is actually on par with some of the most famous caviar brands around the world. And for Winsturd especially, we have 3 different grades of caviar labeled in the 3 different packages you see on the board or in front of me here. And I will go into the specifics of each one later on. But the key differentiating factor of our product is that the salt content is very, very little. So you will know that there's going to be a lot of natural taste in the egg itself when it is not created by too much salt. So our salt content is less than the industry standard of 5.8%. And by doing so, we are able to preserve most of the natural taste from the fish and the egg itself. All right, so let me now walk you through the different suites of products that we have. Our choice product, which is our entry-level product, is from sturgeon fish that is 4 to 6 years old. So that already sounds like a long time to breed a fish, but actually this is our most entry-level product. And because the fish are relatively young, the eggs are smaller in size, but they still taste excellent. So you can expect a black colored product, and the size of the egg is around 1.5 to 2 millimeters wide. So yeah, if you're new to caviar, then you can definitely start with the choice product. And moving on to our classic, which is our flagship product. These are from sturgeon fish that's 6 to 10 years old. And bear in mind that once you take the egg out, the whole fish will die. We're not able to continuously extract egg from the same fish. So these take a long time to breed. And as a result of the age of the fish, these products are slightly bigger than the choice product. And you will see like a light shade of green in the egg. So very, very shiny. Okay. And finally, we have our most premium product. And these are from sturgeon fish that's 12 to 16 years old. So these eggs are very big, and they're a little bit translucent. And when you put it in your mouth, it's going to pop. And when it pops, you can have a strong sense of aroma flowing in your mouth. So it's a true delight to consume these premium caviar. And these, for a long time, we've been selling as white labels to some of the world's leading restaurants, airlines, Michelin restaurants. So if you're a caviar connoisseur, then I definitely recommend the premium product. So having said so much about our product is also certified by the SGS to be quality-free, preservatives-free. So again, you can be certain that whatever you purchase from Winsturd is going to be safe for your family, for your restaurant, for your business. And finally, I just wanted to walk you through some of the health benefits of consuming caviar. So caviar is very rich in multiple nutrients and vitamins. The key nutritious factors are vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B2, and calcium. And I'm sure we are all aware of the various health benefits associated with these different nutrients of caviar. So caviar is both delicious and nutritious and essential for health of human beings. Okay, so this is our contact information. Unfortunately, because you're not here with us live, we are unable to let you try our caviar. But rest assured, it's very, very delicious. We hope that you can get in touch. We hope that later on, when the travel freeze is lifted, you can come and try our caviar, or we can mail you some to try. You can see here that our packaging is excellent. It comes with a nice box, with a pearl spoon and a nice bag. So it is excellent for gifting. Yeah. And here's the contact information. Happy to talk to you, so please get in touch. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much to Brian and also Dana for sharing so much about Winsturd caviar with our buyers and also viewers from all over the world. Brian, I guess you've never regretted changing your career path from IT to caviar, right? Yes. Okay, I know that Winsturd is doing very well. So everyone and all of our viewers, show more support to our caviar brand from Taiwan, Winsturd Caviar. Thank you once again to Brian and also Dana. Thank you. Thank you so much. 各位现场朋友们，再过3分钟呢，力佳绿能生技会在我们的渔人舞台区这边介绍他们的产品，同时呢，料理他们的鱼肉，来欢迎大家来试吃哦。所以现在呢，就欢迎大家可以到我们的渔人舞台这边来集合了。Ladies and gentlemen, in 3 minutes, LIJIA will be showing their new products and have a cooking show here. So you are more than welcome to join us right now. Hello everybody, it's Raymond here. Welcome to the last live show of 2020 Taiwan International Fisheries and Seafood Show. And standing next to me is Charlene and also Alice from LIJIA Green Energy Biotechnology. Would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Hi.
Yes, okay. And to begin, we have a video for you. Let's have a look. 我们先看影片。
回归本质来思考，有好的环境就能造就好的水产品，另外有好的水质才能养出健康无毒的鱼类。而水产养殖包括设施管理、水质管理跟生物管理3类。那其中又以水质管理的优劣直接关系到我们水产养殖的成败，所以我们也不断的投入跟心力在相关技术上。现在水产养殖的给一般消费者的印象，不外是就是破坏环境，或是为了要提高产能，然后大量用药跟操作地下水，那导致消费者对于水产品的食品安全与健康都有一些疑虑。那为了改变现在的一些现况，所以我们都跟水事所还有工研院去合作，也引用智能方式来养鱼。 利用水质监控系统来管理鱼的品质，那尽量不投药跟节省用水，来达到环境友善与永续经营的目标。那我们力佳致力于自然生态的养殖工法，那也不鼓励高密度的养殖，让鱼群有更多的生长的空间。那我们也会遵守药物的使用规范，定期喷洒多种的益生菌，提高免疫力，配合鱼池的休耕，就是透过阳光，然后大概2-3个月的曝晒，然后让池底的土地充分获得休息，那之后再引进新的海水，那完全使用纯海水养殖。但纯海水养殖因为渗透压的关系，会让鱼的成长速度比较慢，但相对的也会比较健康，所以我们才可以减少药物的使用。养殖分工其实非常的细，那我们则是台湾少数提供一条龙生产的全量养殖公司。那从种鱼、产卵、育苗、成鱼养殖，一直到贩售，都是我们业务范畴。那我们在106年也成功研发出水果风味的鲜果鱼，不单单只是在味道上的改变，那也可以延长保鲜的时间。那我们所配合的加工厂都是拥有 ISO 2002跟 HACCP 负65度急冻的技术。可以让我们的水产品在解冻之后，品质与活鱼一样新鲜。现在也另外将成鱼移至外海小网养殖，在更天然的环境里，天真肉质的鲜甜与扎实，让消费者感受到最天然的风味。在这科技成长迅速的时代里，那也造成非常严重的环境危机。我们必须注重环境永续，我们也希望可以建立最佳的养殖生态系，生产健康安全的水产养殖品。那我们也期许自己能成为绿色企业，让台湾的水产养殖渔业可以永续发展。
Okay, now that you get to know LIJIA and also LIJIA's brand, the Taiwan Fresh, a little bit more, and next is the moment we've been waiting for, the cooking show presented to you by Charlene and also Alice. So you can take it from here.
Okay.
Charlene?
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Charlene Alice from Taiwan Fresh. Taiwan Fresh is LIJIA's product brand, and you're very lucky today because Taiwan Fresh is the #1 Dragon Tiger grouper fish brand in Taiwan, and it's also the only one formally exporting to US right now. So US customer, you also get to taste the best Dragon Tiger grouper fish from Taiwan. And this brand, as you can see, they have many products like fishes and also like the fish extract. They were very considerate because a lot of people, they work very late, so when they go home they need to cook very fast. So they developed a series of ready-to-eat packages like this one that's already flavored and already cooked, so you just need to reheat it in order to eat it. And so today we're going to be demonstrating one of their products, which is the garlic flavored Dragon Tiger grouper. And since it's already flavored, we're also going to use part of the seasoning to make another dish, which is the braised eggplant. So you'll be enjoying 2 dishes together today with just 1 package. So very convenient, very fast. And first of all, you have to defrost the grouper. So you can either, the day before, take it out from the freezer and put it into the refrigerator to defrost. Or if you're really in a hurry, you can put it under hot running water to defrost it about 10 minutes. And after the fish has been defrosted, you want to take the package. There's an outer and an inner package. So you want to take it out from the outer package and put the inner package into hot boiling water and just let it sit for 10 minutes. So this water has been boiled already, and then you're just going to take it off the fire and let it sit for 10 minutes to reheat it. Okay? So while it's heating, we're going to prepare the second dish, which is going to use the sauce together to make the second dish, which is the braised eggplant. So first, you want to take about two long eggplants, and we're going to cut it in segments around 5 centimeter width, and then, okay, thank you. So about 5 centimeters width, and then cut it in half. And you want to plate it so that it looks pretty, however you want to plate it. So Let me see. And because if you just steam the eggplant, it's going to turn purple. It's going to turn purple if you just steam it. So we want to put it in white vinegar. So you want to have a bowl, about a bigger bowl than this, and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and then just soak the eggplant in the vinegar after you cut it for about 1 minute, just to prevent it from oxidizing while you steam it. So this way, after you steam it, it will still be a pretty purple color. And then for the sauce, because we're already going to use the garlic sauce from the grouper, we actually just need to add some finely minced green onion. And if you like to eat spice, then you can add some red chili pepper minced into the sauce. So, yes, okay. So, we're just gonna wait for the fish to be reheated completely. Okay. So this one is already flavored, and we're going to use the same sauce to make the second dish. So we're going to just take half of the sauce, leaving half the sauce for the fish itself. So you take out the sauce from the package. Okay, so just about half of it. Okay, that's about right. And then 3 tablespoons of this is oyster sauce, 蚝油, which you can get it from like Chinese supermarkets. So 1, 2, 1. Yeah, I did. So for the green onion, you can take a strand to mince for the sauce, and then another strand just chopped, like fine chops to decorate on the top. So we're going to use the finely minced part for the sauce. And you want to mix it finely. So if you are a spicy person, you might want to add also some red chili pepper minced into the sauce. And if you like the flavor to be more rich, you can add a clove of the minced garlic. Okay. So after the sauce is finely mixed, you want to pour into the plated eggplant.
Charlene, we might need you to speak up a little
Okay,
bit
can
so
you
that
hear
people in the
me?
back can hear you.
Can you guys hear me? Yeah?
Yes, okay, thank you.
Okay, so it looks something like this. So if you want heavier flavor, just add more oyster sauce or garlic or chili pepper. Okay, so we're gonna steam this for 7 minutes. And the grouper is ready. It's very easy. You just put it in boiling water for like 10 minutes. And again, you plate it. Okay. So there's still some of the garlic left. You can, pour it out just to not waste it.
So I don't know if you can see this, the fish. If you want it to be prettier, sometimes we add a little bit of green onion on top, just to add the color. Okay. Like that. So very easy. You just reheat it, and it's all flavored. So yeah, and very fast, 10 minutes.
Yeah, so the fish is done.
Yeah, the fish is, you just reheat it.
Put it
really.
in hot water for like how many minutes?
Around 10 minutes.
Around 10
5
minutes.
to 10 minutes.
5 to 10
yeah.
minutes. Okay.
Yes.
And then it can go.
Yeah,
Oh,
you just put some green onion. It looks beautiful. Yes. So they prepared 5 flavors of the fish. One is the garlic. One is the chili flavor. One is the Thai lemon flavor, and another is the 破布子. It's like a traditional Taiwanese bean flavor. Another one is like pineapple bean flavor. So there's 5 flavors you can switch, Monday to Friday. And the weekends you can eat out.
But where can we buy the fish?
Oh, you can go on
In
the
supermarkets? Can we buy?
Yes, you can buy in
Taiwan fresh
Sogo.
fish?
They have we have a shop in Sogo. Also, yeah, in City Super
City
and
Super.
City Super,
Okay.
and also online, Taiwan Fresh website you can find, and they often have special packages, yeah, like special sale sets, so at a discount price. Yes.
Mm-hmm. And you want to share the fish with our audience here, right?
Yes. Everybody will have some.
Okay.
Okay. So, 要看吗？ Okay. 好，还是我剪你拿。OK， 好。
那我们也是把这个鱼肉呢，会跟现场的各位朋友们来分享一下啊。Yeah, you can have a taste of it, and it has 5 flavors.
这个没有很好用，我没有筷子。
You can buy the fish online, or you can go to some mortar and brick stores, like supermarkets, City Super, to get the fish.
我需要那个筷子。我需要筷子。
So just 5 minutes. You can get the fish done,
这打不开。
and you can also use the garlic sauce to do some of the sauces. Like what Xiaoling is doing here is the steamed eggplant. So the eggplant is almost done, right?
Yes, should be done in 7 minutes. 7分. Okay, so 2 more minutes for the eggplant.
So this is the only product from Taiwan Fresh?
Oh
5
no,
flavors
5 flavor of ready to
of the
eat.
grouper,
But we
and
also have non-flavored grouper, like original
Okay,
grouper of
okay.
different size. There's like big ones and little one, and you can do your own flavoring. Like some people, like I usually do Thai, like Japanese style.
Okay.
Yes, and we also have
sauce.
like grouper dumpling.
grouper
Yes.
dumplings.
Yes.
Okay,
And
wow.
oyster balls,
Oyster balls
octopus
too.
balls,
Okay.
Octopus balls.
Octopus
You can
ball,
like
okay.
Yes, we have
children,
so
they
many
love,
products.
Yeah, fried
Uh-huh.
octopus balls.
Those are also ready-made products, or
Octopus balls are ready made. You just
Okay,
need to either fry it,
Mhm.
or if you want put it in soup, it's good too. And also dumplings, you just cook the
Yeah.
dumplings. Yeah.
I bet the kids love the octopus
Yeah,
balls.
they love it because they use like real octopus parts, and you
Uh-huh.
can actually taste the
the texture
tendons,
of
yeah,
octopus.
the meat of the octopus.
It's okay. We even eat the grouper at lunch
Oh.
Yeah,
today.
we just ate it for lunch
Okay.
today and yesterday.
Okay, so you're about to have a taste of the very delicious fish, Taiwan Fresh, okay? Yeah, with this sauce, I think you can also make it into a soup, a congee, and I think
Yes.
many different kinds of
Yeah.
possibilities, right?
Like seafood congee.
Or fried
Yeah,
egg.
fried egg, yeah. So basically it's already seasoned for you. Whatever leftover juice you can, make it, use it to make other dishes
Yeah,
as
whatever
well.
you like.
差不多，差不多了。好, so the eggplant is also ready.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yes. So it's still purple because we put it in white vinegar. That's very important. 要再放在旁边吗？可是我要不要再放旁边？
Yeah, so everybody, off you go. Have some fish. And now we also have some time for you
很烫
to
很烫，没
taste
关
the
系没关系
eggplant.，
不用不用，我们自己夹就好了。对，这样会烫。对啊，沾多一点。好。
Do you also have cookbook or recipes?
That you
There's
can
a
find on
recipe
the
on the
website. Yes,
Wow,
there are
okay.
recipes on the website. So, and also Alice hosts cooking classes
Uh-huh.
with Bosch.
Okay, she's having a cooking studio that we can go to.
Yes, there's cooking lessons. You can free cooking lessons. Okay.
And I guess not just in Taiwan, right? The products of Taiwan Fresh
Right.
already been sold to many
The
different
US.
markets in the world.
Yeah,
in the US.
Japan, US.
Uh-huh. Yeah, just let me ask the audience. 吃起来觉得味道怎么样？
还蛮香的，好吃。
蛮香的，好吃。那你觉得呢？
我才刚跟他讲完，很香。
哦，你也是跟他说很香。Smells very good, and also
So you
tastes
like the
very
garlic
good.
seasoning, right? You know, the fish, if you eat it, you should be able to taste the tender and juiciness. It's
Yeah.
because they used a cage culture method to raise the fishes in the natural sea. So the fish has a lot of space to swim, and that's why the meat is so tender and juicy. So it's not like other fisheries. They put
Yeah.
it in like pools and like cement. It's actually raised in the natural sea environment.
Yeah, I think about fish. As long as the fish is good enough, itself is good enough. You really don't want to do too much seasoning on the fish, right?
Yes.
Okay,
because
so that
it's
you
so
can taste
sweet.
the original taste
Yes.
of the fish.
So fresh and
Okay.
sweet, yes.
All right, and also some eggplants to share with everybody. So I
There's
would like
still
to,
some more
yeah.
if
Okay.
you guys want seconds.
So that's very much from LIJIA's cooking show. And ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you once again for your time. And please give Charlene and also Alice a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Any last words you want to share with our viewers? Charlene or Alice?
You can buy some at the booth today.
Okay, this is the last day. Today is the last
Yes.
day. So you have some special deals?
Yes.
OK， 最后一天了，所以把握一下机会哦。等一下到LIJIA的摊位去这个参观采购一下。
Just
Yeah, just
right
over
here.
here，就在旁边而已。OK， so everyone, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Charlene and also Alice from LIJIA. Thank you，谢谢，拜拜。